Hey guys, it's Molly and I'm going to be showing you how to create this on Photoshop CS6. What you will need is paint splatter paint brushes that look like these right here. Okay, you want to go to your original picture, which I am using a picture of my friend Kenny, and I just cut out around her body using this tool over here. I'm going to copy it and then paste it onto a white document. You can use any other solid color for this project if you'd like, but I just used white because I think it'd complement the colors in her jacket and her hair nicely. Next, I'm going to go down here and I'm going to right click this and I'm going to click duplicate layer. This will just create an exact copy right above it. And then once I'm done with that, I'm going to click this button. And then this is the layer where I can put the white paint splatters. And then the one down here is the one where I'm going to put the colored paint splatters. To start off with, we are going to use the white paint splatters. So to make sure your color is white, you want to go to this eyedropper up here and you want to click on your white background and make sure it's that color that you're going to use. And then you can go to your paintbrush over here and make sure you have one that you want selected. And next I am going to just click around on her jacket and get white colors to show up. I want it to look kind of random, so while you're doing this you want to kind of switch out the paintbrushes. And if you want to switch your paintbrush around, you can go to Window, Brush, and then over here you can kind of like switch which direction you want your paintbrush to go, and you can like determine the size of it, which is really good for this because you don't want everything to be the exact same and you want to kind of look like paint splatters and not like you're specifically making it look perfect. Okay, so once I have that, I'm just going to go through and click some more and just kind of click all over and make it look like the colors are coming off her. And while I'm doing this, I'm just going to kind of switch up the size. You always want to rotate the angle too, so it's different each time you click on it. You want it to be about even too. You don't want it to be kind of scattered all over because that'll make it look kind of weird. Just get it about even. And then once you think your white is evenly on here, then you want to go to your color. So you want to click the layer down below it. And this is kind of the tricky part. You want to go back to your eyedropper and you want to click on a color in your pattern. So if I'm going to click on blue, I only want the blue to show up over here. And if I'm going to click on this brownish color in her hair, I only want it to show up over here. So everything's just kind of going this direction with your paint. Now that I have the blue selected with my eyedropper, I'm going to go back over here with my paintbrush. So I'm going to click the paintbrush and then just splatter it on there. This is the part where you can kind of go crazy with it because this is going to show your kind of uniqueness in your own project. So I'm just going to keep editing it a little bit and switching up the size and the direction of the paintbrushes, which will make each one look unique and different. You can go through and you want to make sure you switch up your paintbrushes each time so it doesn't look repetitive and it actually looks like, kind of the paint's flying off her. Okay, it's kind of hard to get everything set up actually, and it takes quite a while. I think that looks good, and you just kind of want to like splatter it on there, and you can get different sizes. Not that big, that's kind of ridiculous. And then you can go to like right here. You can do however you want with those. Like on mine, see how I did like a bunch of different colors and it was pretty random throughout? That's what your end product should look like. So now once you have the blue selected, you want to go to the eyedropper for the brown part of her hair and you want to get a different color of brush. So you want to go back to Window and Brush and click on different sizes. And you can click right there and make the brown look like it's coming off. And this is the part where you get to the point where you can do your own project and make it look the way you want it to. I hope I kind of helped you on this tutorial to help you understand how to manipulate a photo and look like the colors are splattering off. Thanks, bye.